In a small coastal village, there lived a fisherman named Takeshi. Takeshi was known for his skill in navigating the treacherous waters and bringing back an abundance of fish to feed the village. But beyond his fishing prowess, Takeshi possessed a deep sense of gratitude and a connection to the sea that went beyond his daily catch. One day, as Takeshi prepared to set sail, a young boy named Hiro approached him with a curious expression on his face. "Takeshi-san," Hiro said, "I've always wondered, what makes you such a successful fisherman? Is it the strength of your arms or the precision of your net?" Takeshi smiled warmly at the young boy. "Come with me, Hiro, and I will share the secret." Intrigued, Hiro followed Takeshi as they set off on their fishing expedition. The boat gracefully glided through the azure waters, the rhythmic sound of the waves soothing their souls. After a while, Takeshi anchored the boat in a secluded cove surrounded by towering cliffs. He gestured for Hiro to sit beside him on the deck, their eyes fixed on the horizon. "Look out at the sea, Hiro," Takeshi said. "Observe the vastness, the ebb and flow of the tides, and the dance of the waves. What do you notice?" Hiro's gaze widened as he marveled at the boundless expanse of the ocean. "It's immense, Takeshi-san," Hiro replied. "It's like a never-ending canvas of life." Takeshi nodded. "Indeed, Hiro. The sea holds within it a great wisdom, a rhythm that connects all living beings. To be a successful fisherman is not merely about the strength of one's body or the techniques one employs. It is about understanding and honoring this connection." He continued, "When I venture out to sea, I do not view it as a conquest or a battle. Instead, I approach it with reverence, gratitude, and a deep sense of harmony. I listen to the whispers of the wind, feel the pulse of the currents, and observe the signs of nature. In doing so, I become attuned to the rhythm of the sea, and it guides me to the abundance that lies beneath its surface." Hiro sat in awe, absorbing Takeshi's words. It was as if a veil had been lifted, revealing a profound truth that transcended the realm of fishing. Takeshi smiled at Hiro's wonderment. "Remember, Hiro, this connection to the sea is not exclusive to fishing alone. It is a metaphor for life itself. When we approach each day with gratitude, awareness, and a sense of harmony, we become attuned to the natural rhythms that surround us. We navigate the currents of life with greater ease and find abundance in the simplest of moments." As they made their way back to the village, Hiro carried Takeshi's wisdom in his heart. He realized that the true secret of success lay not in external achievements but in the cultivation of an inner harmony and an appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things. From that day forward, Hiro approached every aspect of his life with a newfound perspective. He embraced each day with gratitude and a deep sense of harmony, just as Takeshi had taught him. Hiro's transformation did not go unnoticed by the villagers. They marveled at his serene presence, his genuine kindness, and his ability to find joy in even the simplest of moments. Inspired by Hiro's example, they too began to cultivate a deeper connection to the natural rhythms of life. As the village embraced this collective shift in consciousness, a remarkable change unfolded. The once divided community found unity in their shared appreciation for the interconnectedness of all beings. They worked together to protect the pristine beauty of their coastal environment and to ensure the sustainable practices of fishing for generations to come. The village flourished not just in material abundance but in the richness of its human connections. People offered support and kindness to one another, recognizing that true success was not measured solely by personal gain but by the collective well-being of all. Word of the village's transformation spread far and wide, and people from neighboring communities were drawn to its harmonious atmosphere. They sought guidance from Takeshi and Hiro, eager to learn the secrets of their newfound wisdom. With open hearts, Takeshi and Hiro shared their teachings, emphasizing the importance of gratitude, awareness, and living in harmony with the natural rhythms of life. The ripple effect of their wisdom extended far beyond the village, inspiring countless individuals to reconnect with the essence of their own lives. And so, the village became known not only for its bountiful fish but as a beacon of harmony and interconnectedness. Takeshi and Hiro's teachings continued to touch the hearts of many, guiding them towards a life filled with purpose, gratitude, and a deep sense of oneness with the world. May this story remind you of the power of gratitude, awareness, and living in harmony with the natural rhythms of life. May it inspire you to embrace each day with a sense of reverence and interconnectedness, fostering unity and compassion in your own journey and in the world around you. Thank you for watching.